Yeah, welcome to the 5 Minute Mathematics channel. Today we're doing some addition and subtractions. But firstly, addition. Actually, there are two types of addition and subtraction we do on an average. Firstly, carry and another is without carrying. Firstly, we do some question like this. Add with your own mind 12 plus 07, 1 2 3 plus 365, 1 2 3 8 6, 8 7 6 1 3. Comment your answer before season. Here are the answer: 19 488 9999. Comment how much you got the correct one. If you want some more time, then pause the video. Now some example of carrying. Hope you like this. If you do this, then you are a genius. Without using the calculator, comment down your answer before seeing the correct answers. Do your time. If you want some more time, then pause the video. Take your time. Don't use the calculator, as I firstly said. If you use the calculator, you don't fast your calculations. Some work you have to do. Answer will be revealed on the next lecture or tutorial. Thanks for watching us. If you want to follow and check it out my channel, just follow the steps. Search on YouTube bar 5 Minute Mathematics. Then hit the red button over there. Subscribe is placed. Follow us on various platforms like Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates.